Hi, in this video we're just going to look at what was known as direct proportion. It says here the graph relationship between the volume of petrol in litres and its cost in pounds. These two quantities are an example of direct proportion. So when two quantities are in direct proportion, the graph of the relationship will always be a straight line going through the origin. So here we have a graph of petrol in litres of volume against the cost, and we can see it's a straight line graph going through the origin. If we look to see what 2 litres of petrol costs, we can read up from the graph, and we'll get 2.8, which means that's £2.80. Take note of the scale of the graph. If we double the amount of petrol, okay, then that will be 5.6, which is £5.60, which is obviously double £2.80. So what we are saying here, if this goes up by 2, then this will also go up by 2. And this is an example of what's known as direct proportion. So if one quantity goes up or down, then the other quantity will also go up and down. So if one goes up, the other goes up. If one goes down, the other will go down. Okay, so this has been a video to introduce the idea of direct proportion. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.